February. Miss Kitty them and Oprah and Tyler Perry, wanna do send one blood out or something, their accolades and people who work who have standard and certain things. Now send them and over there. Have one piece of dance in a carry hall kind of man for no. Go catch one of the bumbo clear teeth. One get one other woman. Go over there, go catch a man, the single man, they come and some of them man there. So no can't get them. So all blood can look like say the man them American now fuck with the car. Go get one of them blood girl a day. Yes, me see it. Congratulations to him. That is it. Main thing say never married to him. I thought he was gonna propose the last time when the woman catch his thing. And the same should I do it. And yes, T-Nation, I'm here to tell you. Me like your program. Me like Miss Cornwell. Miss Cornwell, however you want to name it. That's my favorite that. But I'm letting you know, your proposal was very corny. It not even look real. If you love that girl, how you gonna propose to her like that? In a little piece of sunny beach. You couldn't get a little something romantic. Carry the girl out for a nice little dinner and show it. You must let nobody force you because they want to come a wedding. That you come like a force issue. You're never ready for no marriage. You not give me a little romantic thing. Not this so. Mood want a little bit of romantic. Carry the girl out for a nice little restaurant. Then that not look real. It look fake to me. That was like you make your supporters them force you. Stop force people to get blood clot and auntie in a church. And have them husband down there. I would have well want to get married. But no, you not rather if you come on social media and I give blood as wedding. If a blood clot really, you know have some cousin there in Jamaica. We're in a church. Where live them can't afford wedding. But somehow I want to see something. I want to push it. Because I see it. The other day when he catch the buck here. How they comment them. But to so disappointed. He never asked the girl for married. When you want him to ask the girl for married. For somebody else special occasion for. Although the one that was planned. Stop it. Go help you no one to dress up God Jamaica. Go got blood clot where you go down. Can you imagine the amount of when she ready? Enough of you need to come together. Enough of you love to push. I notice nowadays everything you see on social media. You don't want to push something on people. Because you don't want to dress up and go to places to show off on yourself. Stop it. Marcia, I'm an idiot. I want to push it on the guy. I want to push it on the guy. He could I even wait until Valentine's Day. Me, I'm a blood clot idiot. I want to support us push it. Because I don't want to go wedding. I don't want to take over people wedding. And control people. And of course, him knows him will get one heap of blood clot money. Because him will get gift from all over the place. So him just take the opportunity. Them don't ready. The only person ready is the girl. Him not ready. Him no look like somebody want marriage. Because I know see a whole heap of no blood clot to look him. I know see how no look him. I know say no for no a blood clot to look him. The girl is ready, but him not ready. Him confused. He was forced. He was forced to do it. And he can't come tell me that. You have some supporter up there. You look like say on the money a scratch, you know. I want to not help no one family member of Jamaica. But no one come push marriage from people. On a blood clot of psychological problem. On a take social media too much for on a physical blood clot therapy instead of go to Jesus. And Jesus me lean pan every day. But not take social media. You not see somebody, you not like somebody and whatever, and somebody have a little views. And a little page go up. Oh, they're better than you. They're doing better than you. Oh, the fuck they're doing better than you when I send them money in a cash up and Zelle. Them not must do better than you. Then all of a sudden when they start to accumulate all this money, them not become more living better than you. Because if me there Jamaica, me can get free pussy clock money. I mean, I'm going to take it. If me or here say no, somebody, because you know, when him ready to get married now, you know, say, him all get Harley freeness. Him all get dress. Him all get this. You know, him mother could buy him dress. Him, you know, his supporters, them all jump and say, me I buy a dress for you. Me I could buy this, me I could buy that. Him not pay one pussy clot, not even blood clot ring, I don't even think he buy. Not even him ring. Him not fee money by that Ross. Stop force marriage on social media. It not gonna work. And that not stop him from give girl bun. That not stop him from chatting to one on the side. And when they come to Jamaica, he go meet up with you and go fuck out in a hotel. I don't want to know. Marcia seat like a book. Listen to me, guy. If you're not ready for marriage, don't marry. And you're not ready. Me, you're not ready. You're not ready for no marriage. Get a little counseling and see first if you're ready. Now, make none of these supporters force you to get married because money coming in and because you have 4,000 people watching you. Get counseling first before you're married. See if she's the right fit for you. See if it won't get along. Because to me not see that much chemistry between you and that girl. The girl not have no, she not have no little joy upon her. How come she's so shy? It come like say you're born her already. She just the other day, the reason why I'm analyzing you like this, because the other day at the woman wedding, when she catch the book here, she thought you were going to, you call her and you hug her and she come for wall and pay you because she thinks say you're not going to propose to her, and you say, what is this? How are you going to talk to your girlfriend like that? It's like she embracing you. And you're like, what is this? And I'm like, wow, you catch the bouquet. We don't expect you to marry, but the way you talk to her when she came to argue, to embrace it, because she felt so good, like you catch it and she catch it, and she come for I say, what is this? And you know the supporters them wrote on your page. You must never see the comment them. They said, I am so disappointed in you. Lot of them, they thought that you were going to say, you were going to take the moment at that time. You're not ready. Don't let them force you to marriage. Listen to Sister Everbless. You're not ready for marriage yet. Do not let these supporters force you for marriage.